Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab K11E and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps. Then let's tap on Special App Access, and here we have to scroll and find Install Unknown Apps. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from Chrome, so not from the Play Store but from the browser. So just find it in the list and tap on the switcher next to Allow from the source. And now, as you can see, the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.